Hello everyone. So today I will be discussing chapter number 4, that is metals and non-metals. I will be completing the first half of this chapter, that is up to metals, and second half will be non-metals. So let's start with it. In page number 47 you have a topic named minerals and ores. So let's start with it. Now in your lower classes you have already heard about matter. Matter is anything that has its own mass and occupies space is called as matter. Now matter is made up of some pure substances which are called as elements. Elements can be in the form of solid, liquid and gas. Examples you see in the book, there are some examples given like sodium, zinc, gold, mercury, iron. These are all considered as elements and grouped under metals. Hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, sulfur, then chlorine, boron. These are also elements but grouped under non-metals. You learn all the names of the elements which are grouped under metals and non-metals. If you don't know which elements are metals and non-metals, you won't be able to solve any chemical reaction. Okay. Now, there are certain unreactive elements which are naturally occurring in the Earth's crust which are called as minerals. Okay, they are called as minerals. Ores are also minerals from which a metal can be obtained economically and profitably. But from minerals we can't get the metals in the pure form. But in case of ores we can get the metals in pure form. In page number 4.1 you can see some of the names of the elements given along with the names of the ores. You learn the name of the elements along with their respective ores. From these ores the elements are obtained. Okay. In page number 48, you have another topic, that is metals, which is very important topic in this chapter. Metals are very shiny, very strong. They are opaque, lustrous elements. They are very good conductors of heat and electricity. Most metals are malleable and ductile. And are generally they are denser than the other elemental substances like aluminium, copper, iron, tin, lead. These are all metals. They have some chemical properties also, like when they react with oxygen they form oxides. When metals react with water they form hydroxides and oxides. Again, when they react with dilute acids means acid mixed with small amount of water, they are called as dilute acid. Okay, they are called as dilute acids. When acids are mixed with small amount of water, they are called as dilute acids. Now if I show you one example, like when a metal it reacts with oxygen, say suppose if I take 4 atoms of sodium, the symbol of sodium is Na, plus 1 molecule of oxygen, it will give Na2O. Na2O means sodium oxide. Whenever a metal will react with oxygen, they will form metal oxides. Not only sodium, in case of magnesium, in case of copper, whenever they will be reacting with gas, that is oxygen, they will form metal oxides. Now, the formula of sodium oxide is Na2O. Okay. How I got this formula Na2O? In class 7 you have learned the valency. Sodium's valency is 1. The symbol of sodium is Na. That's why I have written here Na. Valency of oxygen is 2. Now when I will match it, I will get Na2O. That's why the product Na2O. Okay. When I will try to balance it, in the left hand side we have 4 atoms of sodium. Here we have 2. So in order to make it 4, I will add here 2. 2 2s are now 4 atoms of sodium. Here we have 2 atoms of oxygen, but here also we have 2 atoms of oxygen. So the chemical reaction is balanced. Okay. So whenever a metal will be reacting with oxygen, it will be giving metal oxides. I have taken here sodium, so it will give sodium oxide. Okay. It will be giving here sodium oxide. Next, when a metal it reacts with water, say if I take 2 atoms of sodium plus 2 molecules of water, I will get sodium hydroxide plus liberation of hydrogen. Whenever a metal will be reacting with water, they will form either hydroxides or oxides. When sodium will be reacting with water, they will form hydroxides. Here when we will balance it, in the left hand side we have twice Na. In the right hand side only 1. So I will give here twice. I will multiply NaOH with 2. So sodium is balanced. 2Na, 2Na. Again, here we have 2 atoms of hydrogen. 2 hydrogen. Here also 2 hydrogen.